look, it's a real mantis from Kung Fu Panda. Can you hold open the door for me?
Do they move real fast?
Yes. Welcome to this episode of Mommy Sea Star. I got a nose cold today, so I'm gonna paint nice and peaceful. I've been painting some birds, as you can see. These are Connors and this is an Indian ringneck. I'm gonna paint a Quaker now. A Quaker is called a Quaker because I believe they shake a bit. I don't know why they shake, but anyway, it's a really cute round bird. Kind of like this guy, nice and round, and this color blue. So let's get started. Well, that went really fast, I think, because the shape is so simple and then his mouth is such a symmetrical shape. I think he's yawning. What a cute face he's making. So I got the background with this nice Naples yellow and black and then some gray fabric that he's sitting on. So now I'll just paint his fluffy self. Here's a beautiful new color. I'm going to try Rose from Artist Loft, and I'm going to mix it into the beak. Make his beak a little rosy orange color.